Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 312, Environment Variables with Site Settings. We've had site settings in Power Pages forever, and they really haven't changed much over the years. Until now. Microsoft recently announced a huge upgrade to the site settings functionality, the ability to use Dataverse Environment Variables to set their value. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Environment variables are a feature of Dataverse that allow you to define settings in your environments with ALM in mind. That is, settings that need to be different in different environments, like URLs, API keys, or other secrets that might need to be different in dev, test, and prod. The Site Settings table in Power Pages is where key value pairs of settings are stored. Site settings are used by both out-of-the-box features of the product and can be used by developers to create their own custom settings. Until now, the value of the setting was stored directly in the Site Settings table in Dataverse. If you needed to have different values for the settings in different environments, that was up to you to manage. With this new update, instead of defining the value directly on the Site Settings table, instead you can choose a source of environment variable. And then a lookup appears allowing you to choose which environment variable you want the setting to have the value of. Since environment variables were specifically created with ALM in mind, you can leverage all of its capabilities to have the settings have different values in different environments, instead of whatever custom ALM process you have to come up with yourself. It's important to note that the environment variable support for site settings is only available in the enhanced data model. So if you're on the standard data model, now might be a good time to start considering a migration. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 312 on environment variables with site settings useful.